Do you want to get notified when others share your content? Guys, this can be a really cool feature if you're a content creator. And I'm going to show you how to turn on this notification feature on YouTube. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now, let's continue. Once you're on youtube.com and you sign into your account, you want to click the bell icon on the upper right hand side. Click the gear for settings and scroll down on the general and you will see shared content. So this will notify you when others share your content on their channels. And this is very cool and very useful, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.